Writing style informative. Hey everyone. Today, I'm diving into something super exciting that's just hit the tech world. OpenAI, a name you've probably heard buzzing around for its innovations in artificial intelligence, has just rolled out its latest creation, GPT-4o. And guess what? It's free for everyone to use. Now, what makes GPT-4o stand out? Well, it's not just another AI model. OpenAI has pushed the boundaries even further this time, making GPT-4o faster and more human-like than ever before. It's designed to understand and generate content across voice, text, and even images. Imagine interacting with an AI that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. That's GPT-4o for you. The CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, described the new voice and video mode as the best computer interface he's ever used. He's not alone in his excitement. The buzz around this tool is huge, especially with its timing. Just a day before Google is set to announce updates to Gemini, its own AI tool. But here's the kicker. While GPT-4o is free for all users, OpenAI has made it clear that they've got plans to keep their business thriving. They'll continue to offer premium services that go beyond the basic functionalities of GPT-4o. So, for those who need even more from their AI, OpenAI will have plenty to offer. In the midst of all this, there's a bigger picture to consider. OpenAI's move is shaking up the tech industry. They've already formed partnerships with big names like the Associated Press and the Financial Times. But it's not all smooth sailing. They're also navigating through some choppy waters with a major lawsuit from the New York Times over content usage. So what does all this mean for us? It opens up a world of possibilities. From students to professionals, creatives to casual users, GPT-4o is set to revolutionize how we interact with AI. Whether it's drafting an email, creating artwork, or even generating a video script, GPT-4o promises to make our digital lives easier and more innovative. That's all for now. If you're as intrigued as I am, give GPT-4o a try and see how it can change the way you interact with technology. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And subscribe for more updates